And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to put that on there. Why? Because that's what your girl in the mood for. Okay? Along with some black pepper. So we have us some black pepper right here. And we're going to put it on here just like so. So yeah, it gives a pretty golden brown. But yeah, we're going to stay tuned because I want to check it out and see if it's really finger licking good. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another quick video. So guys, you checked out that cracked chicken, right? So your girl is sitting down to have it with you guys. How's everybody doing today? Good. Yes, you guys. Oh, let me reach over here and get my bottle of water. Because I forgot to put some in the freezer. But anywho, you guys. So we have us some chicken today. And we have us some Olive Garden. Yes, we have us some Olive Garden bread. And I also have one of their pastas. Okay? So let's pull that out. And we have us some cracked chicken. Okay? Some cracked chicken. So we have some of their pasta as well. You guys, let me move my chicken so you guys can see the pasta. Yes. So let's go and get that thumbnail on in. Okay, so yeah. Look at that. Okay. So we have, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's Z-I-T-I type of dish or something. I don't know. Because your girl, let's get our wings back up here. Y'all, this has not been working for me lately. I don't know what it is, but let's get into this chicken. You guys. Now, I must say, it's really good. It is. It's really good. Oh, look at that cheese. I had to add my own little cheese on it as well. But I was in the mood for a little pasta. So we got us a little hot sauce. Now don't get me wrong, I got red hot brown here. But I'm going to use that as well. Now the cracked seasoning, it's definitely good. It's definitely good. Like I said, it has its own little seasoning in there. And with me putting that cayenne seasoning on there, it kind of took the spices up a notch. Now, I believe it was a little spice in there. Already in there. So, I don't know. It took it up another notch. Well, look at that. So what I did was, I ate at Olive Garden. And right now, they have a special. That if you eating a dish, you can take home a dish for $5. So I said, let me take that on home. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Let's pop that so you guys can see the food. Because my wings, they just laying down. Oh, Lord. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. But yeah, I was out in the bottle and I see how Olive Garden is operating now. So it's like you go sign in and you wait in your vehicle. Who else like to tell? You wait in your vehicle till they call you. So I was like, wow. Mm, mm, mm. So the little bowl is definitely worth it. Well, it's more of a medium-sized bowl, you guys. See? It's more of a medium-sized bowl. Mm. Mm-hmm. So I just wanted to eat a little and show you guys about this cracked chicken seasoning. Because they say it's been out for about 2 years. I remember my daughter telling me something about it. But if you like chicken anyway, it could be finger licking anyway. I don't even remember the last time I had fried chicken. So it's good to me anyway. I could never be sponsored by them. Oh. I have a towel in my lap. I always loved it. Olive Garden bread. the woman felt so bad because I had ordered steak and Alfredo. And you know, I was supposed to get the salad and the breadsticks. And I told her, you know, I forgot to tell her, no, do not put the salad dressing on my salad. So when she bring it, I said, I forgot to tell you. So she said, you want me to go back and make another one? Now, I could even told her yes. Well, I told her no. I was okay with it, you know. Because my daughter loved the salad, the dressing. And so I let my daughter eat it. And I think she felt kind of bad for me. But I was okay with it. Because I like to eat salad and I enjoy salad. But a lot of time, I like to go with Little Caesar salad. That's who I prefer. But you guys, I am honestly I'm not full, but I'm not trying to overeat. So I'm going to get ready to get out of here. And if you got this far in the video, thank you. Please thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you're not part of the family. And yes, your girl will come check you out. I will come check you out. But thank you for all your love and your support, you guys. And if you haven't checked out the crack video, please do so. Well, you know that's crack chicken. That is so funny to say, you know. Yeah. Check out the crack chicken video, not the crack, yeah, guys, not the crack, okay? But anywho, I'll see you guys on the next video in the kitchen. You guys, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.